Hi there. Let's take a look at your submission for the Chapter 7 Pennies assignment. So I am looking at the March data worksheet, specifically on cell I-34. And as a reminder, this is step D in the homework, where we're trying to calculate the last payment date of a person's loan for this purchase. So in I-34, you have the if statement constructed correctly, but it's referencing the wrong cells. So if we look at the beginning here, it says equals if H7, but that shouldn't be H7. That should be H34. Let me try that again. H34. Oh yeah, there it is, which is the balance of the loan for this record. This entire record is in row 34. So you have to fix that, change that to be H34, and that's the test for the if statement. The result of what happens when that test is true is that we need to figure out the last payment date, and in the instructions it tells us the loan lasts 4 years, so we're taking the start date of the loan times 48 months. Okay, and here, so you have C7, but the start date of the loan for this record, for this customer, is here, C34. So we need to make both of those corrections. I'm going to press enter to have that accepted. And it's good that this is 0 for this record, right? Because they don't even have a loan. And then double click autofill that down to update all of the records below it. Then also select I-34 and autofill it up all the way through row 7. So it has to go, you have to correct that up and through I-7. I'm not sure what happened, but there weren't any if statements in the records above I-34, and there should be. They should all be present. And then you can just double check that work, make sure that those records have all updated appropriately. And then once you make that correction, I need you to rerun the advanced filter. When you ran the advanced filter, it pasted the results below, but you can see it doesn't paste the formulas, it just pastes the results. And so now these results are inaccurate because they were built on the inaccurate if statement to begin with. So just rerun that advanced filter and then they'll look great. Your database functions over to the right, they all were perfect. Well done. If you have any questions at all, just email me.